Okay, we're here. Storm has started. Storm has started. And yeah. Alright. Better get home. Alright. There's another spark of lightning. Let me try to come this way. Gonna watch through the camera. Wow, there's lightning. Whew. Alright, the storm still going. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second.
First week. I'm not sure of the date either.
Well, she changed the locks November 9th, so it had to be before.
Yeah, it was 2 days after after Dusty left. It was 2 days that Miss Howell came over there and changed the locks.
And you left in November?
Yes.
Had you paid November's rent?
Yes.
Who paid it?
My name is on the receipts.
Who paid it?
She did.
How much was it?
$575.
Mr. Barnes, who gave Miss Howell the rent?
Miss Howell isn't at the office when we go to pay the rent. We both went in there and we paid the rent. I got receipts.
And it was accepted?
Yes.
Why did you change the locks?
Because I've got text messages to show you that Dusty had moved out and that Harold had changed the locks on the house and that she had turned out the...
Okay, just a second. So you show me where she said that Harold had changed the locks on the house. Did you change the locks on the house?
No, ma'am, I did not.
So show me. Did you tell her that Harold had changed the locks on the house?
No.
I'd like to see that.
Ma'am, the only locks that I put locks on the shed. I put a door on there and I put a padlock and a locked a door handle one with that had a key to it also. But I didn't change no locks on the residence whatsoever.
What locks were you talking about? You say you went to get the things that he has changed
From the house were put onto the shed, and then they haven't got new locks for the house.
What kind of lock? You mean
The like regular door, the front door lock.
The question is, were you able to get into the house to get your things?
Yes, I was.
So what did you say to her, that you went back to the house to get your things, but he went and changed the locks? What does that mean?
He had changed the locks. When my daughter and I went to get my things, he had changed the locks. That's what he said at the time.
Just a minute. Did you go there, or did he tell you he changed the locks?
And he told me that he changed the locks.
Did you go there?
Yes.
Were the locks changed?
Yes.
So you couldn't get in?
As far as I knew,
It doesn't really make any difference. You knew he was there. You had accepted his rent. You had no right to evict him. That's what he's suing for, an illegal eviction.
Okay.
Well, you know that you have no right to. Is this your only rental property?
No. But what happened, can I tell you?
Sure, you can tell me what happened.
Okay, so I had given him an application. I thought, March, I've got a note from her saying this is her fiance and he would like to be on the rental agreement. So I gave him an application and they never turned it back in.
Doesn't matter.
Okay,
you
so-
knew he was a tenant. You accepted his rent.
Right.
You
So
knew he was a tenant. You accepted his rent. You have to give him notice.
she
You
gave me
didn't-
30 days notice that she was moving out. She did.
Oh, just a second.
Okay.
On what date?
November 4th. I've got a 30-day notice
From her.
from her.
Did you find out about him?
Alright guys, I'm outside. That's what she sees. Ooh, I feel rain. Yeah, it's come down pretty good. This is when the worst of it comes. Well, the worst is supposed to come. That's what I heard. There's some of the storm out there. Most of it is past us, but my phone it said this is when the worst is coming, so I might as well sit down and relax. Watch the storm. Woo! I got that little piece. That's good. Oh yeah, it's coming now. Alright, I'm gonna get inside. Dang. Wow. I might as well just go back out. Alright, in about 5 seconds I'm going back out. Wow. Just wow. Outside again, guys. We're at the 6-minute mark. And yeah. Wind's calming down just a little. Thunder though. Okay, I was wrong. Thunder has it's woo! Here comes the rain. Woo! Getting wet up in here. Woo! Lightning strike just above us. Wow, this is just crazy. Alright guys, we are at the 7-minute mark. And yeah, it's been more like 20 minutes for me. Well, more like 15 minutes, sorry. More like 15 minutes for me. Yeah, I think the worst is past us. The worst is over here. Oh, I just seen that. Okay, the worst is over around here, around over there. Woo! That thunder's really. Oh, another spark of lightning. Yeah, guys, I usually take videos of this so I can show it to people. Oh my god. Sometimes it'd be kind of boring just watching this, but to me, it's exciting. I mean, I've videotaped the storm before, but this storm ain't as bad as the other one we got. To me. Whoa, we're getting a lot of rain now. Here comes the rain. Oh, my bike's up here. My bike, my sister's. Wow, it's a pretty good storm right here. Pretty good one. Alright guys, we're at the 9.5 minute mark. So, I hope you guys can hear me over all of this. It is pouring, look at that. Oh, we're in the rain, guys. We're in it. We're in it. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna get out here. Whew. Oh god, it's way too wet. Yeah guys, it's starting to get a little wet here. I'm gonna show you the road. Wow, that's pretty good. Dang. So I'm gonna show you the storm again. Looks like it's starting to clear out over there. Like starting to. Oh, let's just keep watching it. Oh, yeah, my arm is soaking wet. So, yeah. Nice little storm. I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second. See you then. My gutter is overflowing. Looks like that's gonna fill up. Alright. Oh, it's flowing down in my backyard. Awesome. Okay. I'll get to you guys in a second, and there's a look at the storm. See you guys then. Alright guys, looks like it's starting to clear up. I'm gonna start taking out here some. Alright. So, yeah. Kind of dark. Yeah. Yeah, the worst is over there. Oh, we're getting hammered. Yeah, we just got hammered by severe storms. Yeah, we just got hammered big time. So, yeah, here's another look. Yeah, it's kind of hitting us hard. See, I see the blue sky. Right there. Right there. Come at us, please. Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure about 20 minutes ago there might have been a supercell about 10 miles away from us. So, yeah. Pretty sure it was 10 miles south. But it missed us. Yeah, there was a supercell down my, what do you call it? Crap. I forget what it is. Where our place is, but it hit us. It didn't hit us, but it somewhat clipped us. But I didn't. It wasn't a supercell then, but it was a really bad supercell. There was a spotted funnel cloud there, and yeah. So yeah, it looks like it's starting to clear up, guys. Yeah. Look, there's water. I need some water in my hand. I need to try to. It seems really blurry. Oh, guys, it's blurry. It's blurry. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try to clean this up. Is it blurry? No. Okay. Look, I'm gonna try to get it blurry again. It ain't blurry. How's it not blurry? See the blurriness? Alright. So guys, yeah, looks like it's clearing up. I'm just worried about that. What I'm worried about. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. See you then. Alright guys, looks like it's starting to weaken. Yes, I said it. Weaken. Yeah, looks like it's really starting to weaken. Right over here. Yeah. So I'm gonna get back to you guys in a sec. Yeah, I held on about 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I've been out here tracking this storm and thought I'd take a video of it. So if I see a rainbow, I'll get the video started again, but if there isn't, I'll see if I can get anything else, and I'll end the video from there. So, see you guys then. I came back, guys, so these clouds just look weird, I swear. They're the weirdest clouds I've ever seen. I just wanted to show you guys that. That looks so weird, I swear. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video off with a goodbye. Hope you guys have a good evening. See you in the next video. Bye.